St. Augustine ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, ready to depart.
Okay, if you're at the runway, contact tower.
66 Romeo Delta, thank you.
Main just off the shoreline, we'll wait for your command, 4917.
St. Augustine Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, holding short 31.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, St. Augustine Tower, thanks, hold short runway 31.
Hold short 31, 66 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, fly runway heading, maintain 2000, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff for Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, fly runway heading, maintain 2000.
So 586 St. Augustine Tower, thanks. Can you take the intersection to the left? You need full length.
We can take the intersection, section 586.
Section 586, thanks. You make the left turn there and hold short runway 31, please.
Santiago 10 Tower, good afternoon, flight 513, holding short, runway 31.
Alright, 0513, St. Augustine Tower, hold short runway 31, landing traffic.
Departure Grumman 66 Romeo Delta out of St. Augustine, climbing to 2000, 310 heading.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Jack's departure right there.
IDEC for 66 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, radar contact out of 1,000 feet, and climb and maintain 7,000.
Climb and maintain 7,000, 66 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, cleared on course to Petrie to Cap.
Cleared on course to PCK, 66 Romeo Delta.
9, whatever you doing.
November 66 Romeo Delta, contact Jacksonville Center 127.57.
127.77, that's the approach, thank you.
6 Romeo Delta, frequency is 127.57, 2757.
2757, 66 Romeo Delta, thank you. Jacksonville Center, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 7,000.
2 Charlie Hotel, contact approach 132.47. 32.47. Charlie Hotel, have a good day. Good day. 6 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 300 vector for traffic.
3006 Romeo Delta.
The 9 Golf Sierra, climb and maintain 8,000.
Up to 8,000, Golf Sierra.
Golf Sierra, I'm sorry, climb and maintain 9,000.
9,000, Golf Sierra.
6 Romeo Delta, proceed direct Wargans.
Procedure Rogan 6 Romeo Delta.
540 to center maintain 6,000.
Out of 9.5 to 6,000, bear 540.
6 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend maintain 4,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Bear 540, turn 15 degrees right for your sequence.
15 right, bear 540.
6 Romeo Delta, turn 15 degrees right for sequence.
And 15 degrees right for 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend maintain 3,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
8252 Lima, ready, copy, final instructions. November 52 Lima, your climb out instructions are to fly runway heading, climb and maintain 3,000, departure frequency 126.907. Rear post, November 6 Romeo Delta, flighting 290, advising you get Peachtree in sight.
66 Romeo Delta, fly heading 290 and we'll let you know when Peachtree in sight. Then approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, I think we have the KPDK in sight.
November 6 Romeo Delta, the airport is 1 o'clock and 10 miles. Is that the airport you see? November 6 Romeo Delta, cleared visual approach runway 3 right. Maintain your present speed at least until you're 5 miles from the airport.
Cleared for visual 3 right, maintain present speed until 5 miles from the airport for 66 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, contact Peachtree Tower 120.9er.
Contact Peachtree Tower, thanks for your help. 6 Romeo Delta.
Cessna 96 Yankee, cross midfield above 2,000 feet, enter left downwind, runway 3 left.
Left midfield above 2,000 feet, or was it 2.5 for left downwind for 3 left?
November 3196 Yankee, cross midfield at or above 2,000 feet, into the left downwind for runway 3 left.
Okay, over 2,000 feet, midfield, left downwind, 3 left, 966.
P6 Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta 3000 again.
So number 66 Romeo Delta, P-Star runway 3 right, clear to land, number 1.
3 right, clear to land, 66 Romeo Delta.
Actually, Delta contact ground 16 Alpha Delta.
Thank you.
November 66 Romeo Delta, turn left. At Bravo, cross runway 3 left, ground point 6 other side.
Left at Bravo, cross ground, on the other side, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 74 Tango, runway 3 right. Actually,
P3 ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, going to north.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, P2 ground, north run taxi via Alpha Delta, cross runway 34.
Alpha Delta, cross runway 34 for 66 Romeo Delta.
Ground flight of 78 Papa Golf Atlantic, ready to taxi VFR. Go ahead with